Hey, JP here. This is a quick look at our segmented acrylic fuel block test number 6. This is what the block looks like kind of post-run. After a few more of these tests, we'll use these blocks in a Magnetohydrodynamic or MHD test rig as part of our plasma engine development. These will help us do a lot of low-cost test firings and really accelerate our engine development. Okay, let's get on to the run.
The video has been slowed down to 2% of normal. In this block, there are also 2 paraffin rings along with the acrylic. These are the paraffin rings from test 5. On that test, they were red so you could see them better, but the dye ended up being a problem, so we left it out on test 6. We use acrylic because it makes a good fuel and it lets us see what's going on. We use the paraffin rings so we can add inclusions to increase the ionization. An interesting anomaly is the paraffin has melted, but it's not burning in the lower half, at least not till near the end of the run. We may be able to use that as a reservoir for extra potassium inclusions and extend the ionization. The next test will have the same configuration, but will have inclusions in the paraffin. Thank you to all our patrons out there on Patreon. You guys really keep us going. And be sure to click the subscribe so you can see what's coming up next. Bye till next time.